I'd play the Red River Valley, and he'd sit in the kitchen and cry, and run his fingers through 70 years of living, and wonder, Lord, has every well I've drilled gone dry? We was friends, me and this old man, like desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train. He's a drifter and a driller of oil wells, an old school man of the world. He taught me how to drive his car when he's too drunk to, and he'd wink and give me money for the girl. Our lives was like some old western movie, like desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train. Time that I could walk, he'd take me with him to a bar called the Green Frog Cafe, and there was old men with beer guts and dominoes, lying about their lives while they played, and I was just a kid they all called his sidekick, like desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train. The day I looked up, he was pushing 80, and there's brown tobacco stains all down his chin. Well, to me, he's one of the heroes of this country. So why is he all dressed up like them old men? Drinking beer, playing Moon and 42. Just like desperados waiting for a train. Like desperados waiting for a train. Before he died, I went to see him. I was grown and he was almost gone, so we just closed our eyes and dreamed us up a kitchen and sang another verse to that old song. Oh, come on, Jack, that sumbitch is coming. We're desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train, like desperados waiting for a train.